everyone, it's Chadni. Welcome to Super School, and today I want to discuss a very important topic from English grammar, which is noun. Yes, noun is the name of a word, or it's a naming word, or there are different types of definitions for noun, but I won't be emphasizing on the bookish definition because understanding what the topic is very important, but the language that you understand in is not important. And that's why it's a super school, because here you have freedom to learn anything in any way you want, which suits you best. So let's just get straight to the point. That is, there are two different types of noun, proper noun and common noun, and we all know about it. It's quite simple, but still I would be revising it. Proper noun is kind of name of something. For example, Chadni, it's a proper noun, but woman or girl, it's a common noun. So it's pretty simple. But there are also other different types of noun, which is abstract noun, material noun, countable noun, uncountable noun. Oh, poof, the list is quite long. But we don't need to know all these fancy names. But we have to understand how to use this noun in a sentence properly, and when to use the noun form of many different verb and adjective. For example, a word like independent, independence, independency, or dependency, dependence, depend. So see, these all words are kind of related and similar, but their parts of speeches differ because, for example, if I say I live in an independent nation, in an independent nation. So here independent is an adjective. I am fighting for my independence. So independence here is a noun. So you must know that you must know the forms of noun, and you must know that when to use noun and where to use noun in a sentence, because maximum writer, they have this problem. Sometimes they want to play with the construction of sentences and make it more interesting, and while doing that they tend to use the noun in the wrong place. So for example, if you say my independence is my priority, so but you can also turn this sentence in another way and say independence is my priority. So see the placing, but independence is my priority. It's much more appealing than my independence is my priority. Here in this sentence, you are using the pronoun multiple times, like my. Possessive pronoun, you're using it multiple times. Is it really necessary? No. And it's also kind of making your sentence sound a bit odd. So that's why use of noun in a sentence is very important. Now, if you have any queries or questions where you want to know, or you want me to write for you how to use nouns better in a sentence, please let me know. And also I would suggest you to go through thesaurus and learn these different forms of noun so that you can use them in your writing. Thank you so much. That's all. Stay tuned and do let me know in the comment section what more I can share with you so that you can learn better. Bye bye.